Hello, and welcome back to Shadow English, your calming corner to practice English with rhythm, feelings, and real life stories. Whether you're walking, relaxing at home, or having lunch at work, thank you for joining me today. Our story is called The Empty Bench, about how one small choice in an ordinary day can give us something we've been missing. Before we begin, here's how to shadow effectively. 1. Listen closely to how I say each sentence. Notice my tone, rhythm, and pauses. 2. Repeat after me, matching my voice as closely as you can. 3. Don't stress about mistakes. Focus on flow and feeling. Ready? Let's begin. Maya's job was busy. Emails, meetings, phone calls, and more emails. Most days, she ate lunch at her desk, eyes on the screen, one hand on the keyboard. One Tuesday afternoon, something inside her said, "Go outside." So she did. A short walk from her office was a small park. Green grass, tall trees, and a fountain in the middle. She looked around for somewhere to sit and saw an empty wooden bench under a blooming cherry tree. The bench looked simple, a little worn, but sturdy. She sat down. The moment she sat, something shifted. The air smelled of flowers. Birds sang softly somewhere above her. The afternoon sunlight danced through the leaves. She closed her eyes and took a deep breath. The first deep breath she'd had all day. For 20 whole minutes, Maya just sat. No phone, no calls, no noise. Just the gentle sounds of the park. When it was time to go back, she felt calmer. Her mind was clearer. The next day, during her lunch break, she came back to the bench. And the next day. And the day after that. The small wooden bench became her daily habit. Her little island of peace in a busy sea of work. Weeks later, Maya realized something. She didn't need a long vacation to rest. Sometimes, just 15 quiet minutes under a tree could change the whole day. Vocabulary practice. Repeat after me. Worn. Used many times, showing signs of age. This old book is worn but beautiful. Repeat. This old book is worn but beautiful. Sturdy, strong, and unlikely to break. The bridge is small but sturdy. Repeat. The bridge is small but sturdy. Shifted, changed slightly. Her mood shifted when she heard the news. Repeat. Her mood shifted when she heard the news. Deep breath, slow, long breath to relax. He took a deep breath before speaking. Repeat. He took a deep breath before speaking. Island of peace. A place or moment that feels calm and safe. My garden is my island of peace. Repeat. My garden is my island of peace. Great job today. You shadowed, repeated, and learned. Remember, just like Maya found her empty bench, you can find your own little moments of calm in your day. Practice today's vocabulary, replay the story to get the rhythm, and keep speaking daily. I'll see you soon for another story here on Shadow English, where every word you speak takes you one step closer to fluency. Keep learning, keep speaking, and always keep believing in yourself.